how let's say we're listing your house, Mark, listing a house you originally bought with us, and we're listing it for the third time, or we're trying to look up how many transactions you've done with us. Is there a way to do that? You could pull up the contact name, and then you could go into the properties and transactions, and you could see all this historical information.
So it's not on there yet. Let me go into so I'm going to mark here. I've got several. Right now, I don't think I've got it on this one. Let me just see here. I do not. Okay. We're going to have very soon a section for listings and a section for your transactions that are linked to this contact.
Perfect. Okay.
In which case it will show you the totals. We'll show you a few different things that I still need to kind of play with. All of my focus has been on these checklists and stuff, but we do have another widget that will come in here that will give you summaries of what properties, listings, and transactions are on an individual contact.